May I start?
Yes, Manish.
Yeah. Good evening, everyone. So today, this webinar is going to be happen at evening instead of the morning. So today is the first webinar that is going at the 8 p.m. instead of 8 a.m. So thank you, Savana ji, to provide the first opportunity to me. Yeah, I would be the first speaker for this event. So thank you. Now, before starting my session, first of all, I would like to say Happy Navratra to everyone. हैप्पी नवरात्रा टू एवरीवन। और नवरात्रा में 9 रात या 9 दिनों का बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण स्थान होता है। दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव क्रिएटेड 9 रूल रिलेटेड टू मनी। मनी इज द वन थिंग दैट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट आइटम in our life, in your life. Money is just like oxygen, or you can say air. Ki without air, without oxygen, we cannot live. This is the just like the money. Without money, we cannot survive, we cannot live. Whether anybody can say money is bad, money, huge money comes from the bad activity, or uh, money money is not very good, and if you look after only money, so you will lose loss of the relation, etc. All those things. In spite of that, I would like to say मनी के बगैर आप और हम जिंदा नहीं रह सकते हैं। Just I am giving the one example to you. Nature has given the free of cost two things. One is the air and another thing is water. In the today scenario, both things, whether it is the air or whether it is the water, we have to pay. When we are opening the tab in our kitchen, bathroom, or anywhere, so whatever the water is coming, we have to pay MCD, just like the water expense, municipality tax, and we want to take the fresh air. What we have to do? We on AC. So it means ki we have purchased the AC, that is the that AC or that machine is providing the fresh air to us. And another thing, air purifier machine. So it means ki whatever the activity you want to do, everywhere we have to pay money. Without money, we cannot survive, we cannot think. So today I am taken 9 rule related to money, so you can survive or you can apply in your life, or you can save more and more, and you will be the wealthy in your life. So without wasting more time, I am going to start. First rule is that increase your inflow. So now you will say कि everyone is saying कि money is the good thing, money market में तो पैसा रखा हुआ रहता है, इस तरीके से there are lots of the myth, but we are going to start with the inflow. So I am going to start with the inflow. Reason is that money has two-way transaction for everyone. Just like you want to take the my example, so some money I receive as the inflow. That money, suppose that I'm the professional, so I'm getting the some professional fee from my client, from my person to whom I am providing the consultancy. So whatever money they are giving to me, so that is inflow for me. So there is the one thing inflow and another thing outflow. Because when I have received some money from my customer, my client, so I have to spend to live my life for need, for necessity, for hobby. So today we will discuss about the inflow. That everyone has the inflow is the limited. Like anyone has the limit of the 50,000, 60,000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 5 lakhs, 10 crore, 100 crore per month. But that is the limit. This limit is not going to change each and every time. It means that I am saying that this month my job is the 10 lakh rupees per month. So it is not going to happening in the next month. It will be the 11 lakh. In the next month, it will be the 11.5 lakh. Every month inflow is not going to increase. So in spite of that, I'm saying you have to increase inflow. So first of all, we have to understand what is the meaning of the inflow. So we can receive money, we can receive inflow of money from the job. When we are doing job, when we are doing services, when we are employee of any organization, so they are paying to me. So that is the one way where we can get inflow. Another way, we are doing businesses or we are providing the consultancy services, then we receive some inflow. And last one is the investment. Investment is that I had the 5 CR, 10 CR, or my father had the good money and they have invested into real estate. Now we are getting the rental income, or that amount has been invested into bank, or we are getting the interest amount, or we have invested into lots of the share where we are getting dividend amount. Okay, so there is the three kind of the inflow in happening in our life from job, from business or investment. Now you will say, Ki Manish, no, you are wrong. There is the one more kind of the inflow, that is the loan. When we have taken the car, bike, laptop, mobile, home, so everyone is taking the loan. So that is also inflow, but that is not permanent with you. One day you have to return back. So what I have to discuss with you, job, business, and investment money, if they are coming to you, then that is a permanent with you. You have not to return anyone. That's why. So whatever the activity you are doing, whether it is the job, whether it is the business, whether it is the investment, you have to see, you have to increase that inflow. Suppose that I'm doing job, so it means when I have the some time, or if I can earn some more money, so I have to do. So first of all, I have to see whether I can increase my inflow or not. So now you will ask question. One is how I can increase my inflow. So you can increase your inflow like this. First, same activity. Suppose that I'm the chartered accountant and I'm doing the accountancy job in any company. So in any company I'm doing job and my salary is let us assume 1 lakh rupees per month. Okay, so I can be associated with some person, or I can be associated in my society where I can discuss with lots of the person. Sir, I will file your return and I will charge 1,000, 2,000. So that is the same activity. I am doing the job with any other company and I'm providing some consultancy to other person. So that is related to same activity. So first of all, we have to try to increase our inflow from same activity. Suppose that uh, you are teacher and you are the teacher in private school or government school, then apart from teaching there, you can provide the some online tuition or offline tuition. So that will be the same activity. So first of all, we have to try to increase inflow from same activity. Another thing, other work in sense, I'm the chartered accountant. In spite of that, I'm not interested to provide a consultancy. I have interest. One of my friend has told to me, Manish, there is lots of the opportunity on online selling. You can purchase from some wholesale market or some this particular market, or you can sell and you can earn 20%, 30%, 40% margin. That idea clicked to me, or I have started selling of mobile, selling of mouse, or selling of any uh, uh, artificial jewelry or any garment or anything. I have purchased of the 1 lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees I have invested, or whenever the order is coming in the night when I'm free, just I am delivering and I'm earning money. So it means, yeah, I can increase my inflow from same activity. I can increase my inflow from other activity. And in last, the hobbies. I have I have identified during the college, I was the very good in the playing cricket. Okay, now there is no time to play cricket. Reason is that due to family, due to kids, due to job. Then I have find out, yeah, in my society there are the lots of the student. There are lots of the young kids. They are playing cricket, but they are not up to that mark. What I did, I have discussed with RWA and I have created one team and I became the coach and I'm going to charge 5,000 rupees per month. So again, from hobby, I'm creating my inflow. Someone has some hobbies like they have some hobbies of the doing painting, some has the clicking photograph, some has the hobby of the acting. So if you have the any kind of the hobby, you can convert into profession, that you can increase your inflow. So I hope I whatever I want to say to you, I want to convey my message. You got my point. So first of all, first rule is that we have to increase our inflow. Now, decrease outflow. Whatever the money is going, suppose that I have received the 50,000 rupees from my job, 20,000 rupees from my consultancy, and 30,000 rupees from my business activity. So in total, I received 1 lakh rupees in a month. Then obviously बात है ये पूरा का पूरा पैसा it will be not with me. I have to spend something because every day I have to take food, every day I have to travel, every day I have to make some expenditure related to my kids' education or livelihood. Okay, so there is the first kind of the expenditure is need of life. कि मेरी लाइफ की नीड क्या है? सपोज फॉर द नीड, if I don't have the home, so I need home on rent. Every day I have to eat. It can be rice, it can be wheat, it can be vegetable, it can be fruits, it can be dry fruit, it can be food, having food or enjoying outside home. Okay, and need of garment, need of everything. So there is the one need. So I'm not going to discuss about the need because everyone has the need. रहने खाने रोटी कपड़ा और मकान इसकी नीड है, तो इस पर मैं आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू डिस्कस. आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट द लग्जरी. If you are extended your need for in name of the lifestyle, if it is coming the luxury, then it will create problem for you. Like I I have need of one garment. I have need of the one particular shirt, and when I have visited mall, I have said, यार ये ना blue वाला भी अच्छा लग रहा है और this is the yellow color shirt is good. Why not यार 2 महीना बाद तो लेना ही है, चल why not I take. Okay, then it is a luxury for you because right now it is the need of the only one shirt, but we have the purchase two shirt. So that is the luxury. So that we have to understand what is the need, what is the luxury. Okay. And last one is the hobby. So everyone has a different kind of the hobby. Suppose that yes, I have the hobby to having the food outside, or you can say ki I have the hobby uh, to travel uh, uh, good places. Okay, so for the hobby, I have to make the lot of the investment like traveling plan, hotel, or all those things. So everyone has to identify what is your hobby and how much amount is going in the hobbies, and where you can reduce, where you can decrease. तो नीड पर तो आप डिक्रीज नहीं कर सकते because it is the need of the everyone, but we can reduce, we can decrease our outflow for luxury as well as hobbies. So that we have to work first. We have to try to increase our inflow. If it is not possible, or uh, it has been the stop after one extent, then we have to try to decrease our outflow. Now, third rule is that we have to save at least 10%. Suppose that I'm earning 100 rupees, so I have to save at least 10%. That if we are saving more than 10%, it is a very good. We can save 11%, 12%, 20%, 25%. 25% is the maximum saving. If anybody is saving more than 25%, then it's ultimate. Otherwise, 25% is the maximum and good thing. But we have to start saving at least 5%. And anyone who is not getting or who is not saving 5%, 2%, 3%. So I will try. Don't start with the 10%, and let us start with the 1%, 2% for the 2 and 3 months. After 3 to 4 months, you have to start 4%, 5%. But within the 1 year, within the 2 years, we have to come to save at least 10%, because in near future nobody is aware what will be the scenario. कभी कभी क्या होता है, we are working with a good company, or next day they fire. Some I am going to office and I got the accident. So there are lots of the things जहाँ पर this kind of the problem is happening. So when we are not able to save 10% for the future purpose, it will create problem you and me. Fourth, everyone will love real estate, investment in the real estate. Like we want to purchase land, we want to purchase koti, we want to purchase flat. But one rule is that we have to invest into real estate. That investment can be only after when our net worth is the 5 crore. Suppose that I have the one particular house that is the costing is the 2 cr, and I have the 1 crore in my bank account, and I have the one more cr. that is the liquid money. Liquid money that is the available also in the bank as a FD or anything. So I'm thinking, why not I have to buy the another home so that we can earn rental income. But money rule is saying when in total net worth is less than 5 CR, so you can have only one real estate home where you have to stay, but don't invest in the real estate for the purpose to earn rental income. Reason is that in the we have seen, or when you will find out anywhere in world, any residential property is not provide the more than 3 to 4% per annum income to you. So never invest in real estate for investment purpose. If you have to reside, इट्स ओके, क्योंकि हर किसी को एक घर रहने का, एक घर रखने का हक है, वो होना चाहिए. बट यू आर इन्वेस्टिंग इन रियल एस्टेट टू थिंक कि ये घर मेरे इसलिए है कि I will earn rent, then you are doing the fullest thing, and it is the rule, and I will suggest to you कि 5 करोड़ से कम का नेटवर्थ है तो नेवर इन्वेस्ट इन रियल एस्टेट. Next is the need versus luxury. Need versus luxury. I want to display one particular phone. This is the phone, and I want to change it. And my budget is around 10,000 rupees. When I have started to search my new mobile phone, so let us start with the 9,000, 10,000. But when I have discussed and when I have read some review or when I have read some article on internet, so they are saying that this kind of the feature should be must have in mobile. This is the old fashion XYZ. So when I have searched the latest mobile, then its cost is coming the 13,000, 13,500, 15,000. It can be 1 lakh rupees, it can be 50,000 rupees, but that is the out of my pocket. So I'm not discussing about that. So my budget was the 10,000 rupees, but I'm seeing 12, 13, 15,000 mein I'm getting the good mobile with the good feature. So what I did, मेरा बजट 10 का था, लेकिन what I did, मैंने 15,000 का मोबाइल परचेज कर लिया. तो इट विल क्रिएट प्रॉब्लम. क्या 10,000 के मोबाइल में आवाज आना और जाना नहीं होता? क्या व्हाट्सएप 10,000 के मोबाइल में नहीं चलता है? चलता है. यूट्यूब चलता है? चलता है. क्या मेरा कोई नेट बैंकिंग, मेरा कोई यूपीआई, मेरा कोई ट्रेवल का लाइक ओला, उबर या फिर रेपिडो ऐसा कोई भी नहीं चलता है? तो एवरीथिंग इज वर्किंग इन द 10,000 रुपीज मोबाइल. तो व्हाई आई एम परचेजिंग 15,000 रुपीज मोबाइल व्हेन आई नो ये मोबाइल विद इन द 2 or 3 ईयर ये एबोलिश हो जाएगा, मुझे आई हैव टू चेंज. तो इफ वी हैव टू थिंक अबाउट ईच एंड एवरी एक्सपेंडिचर, नीड क्या है, लग्जरी क्या है, देन यू विल अंडरस्टैंड. इसी तरीके से व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू बाय एनी कार, आप जब कार परचेज करने जाते हो, तो व्हाट हैपनिंग, वी हैव सेलेक्टेड और आवर बजट इज 6 लाख रुपीज. तो कार सेल्समैन इज कमिंग, सर इसमें ना पीछे ना शीशा का ना सर पावर विंडो नहीं है, इसमें ना सर देयर इज नो ऑटोमेटिक, सर इसमें ना कोई म्यूजिक सिस्टम नहीं है, ऐसे कर करके सर व्हेन यू विल गो फॉर द नेक्स्ट वर्जन, इसमें सर 50,000 तो बढ़ जाएगा, लेकिन यू विल गेट द ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. तो they are washing our mind, they are creating to spend more and more. हम भी उसके जाल में फंस जाते हैं. क्या मेरा 6 लाख के कार में अगर पीछे पावर विंडो नहीं है तो क्या हुआ? मोस्टली कार, यू एंड मी, वी आर ड्राइविंग अलोन. क्या हम हर दिन ऑफिस बीवी और बच्चा को लेके जाते हैं? मैं तो नहीं लेके जाता जी. तो इट मीन्स कि इन द इन वंस इन द वीक या ट्वाइस इन द वीक मैं फैमिली को लेके जाता हूँ, इन और अदर डे आई एम ड्राइविंग अलोन. तो अगर ये पावर विंडो सिर्फ फ्रंट में है, पीछे नहीं है, तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है? एक दिन बीवी बच्चा बिना पावर विंडो के ही रह जाएगा तो कोई फर्क पड़ेगा? फॉर दैट आई हैव टू स्पेंड द 1 लाख रुपीज. So that you have to understand what is the need, what is the luxury. Again, when we are going to purchase the garment, we are going to purchase, you can say, we are going to purchase like shirt, pant or anything. Okay, so what happening कि वहां पर when we have purchased the shirt or pant, तो हमने सोच के लिया, we have visited कि चलो जी हम मैक्सिमम 1,200 रुपए का शर्ट लेंगे, लेकिन व्हेन वी हैव द परचेज शर्ट, तो वो 1,200 से रुपया जाके कितना पर हो जाता है? 2,000 का शर्ट पसंद आ जाता है, 2,400 का पसंद आ जाता है. तो दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग वी आर डूइंग, देन इट विल क्रिएट प्रॉब्लम. तो वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज द नीड एंड व्हाट इज द luxury. So if we are able to identify the difference between need and luxury in our life, फॉर ईच एंड एवरी एस्पेक्ट्स, चाहे वो एजुकेशन का हो, चाहे वो खाने पीने का हो, चाहे वो खर्च करने का हो, गारमेंट का हो या मोबाइल का हो, एनीथिंग, एनीथिंग रिलेटेड टू दैट, तो आवर लाइफ विल बी इजियर, otherwise it will create problem for you and me. So till time, if you have any question or you have any doubt, you can ask, otherwise just I am going ahead just once again. So we have the discuss about the need and luxury. Now rule number 6, do luxury investment. Have you seen when in any month we have the taken decision ki this month I have to make 10,000 rupees FD or 10,000 rupees investment in bank, or I have to buy the shares. But when we are going to buy मोबाइल, तो 10,000 से मेरा बजट 12,000 हो जाता। तो ऐसा कभी आपके साथ हुआ है कि यू आर थिंकिंग टू मेक द इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑफ द 10,000, लेकिन आपने ना उसको 15,000 कर दिया, 12,000 कर दिया? इट्स नेवर हैपन विथ मी। वो 10,000 से घट के 8,000 हो जाता, क्योंकि यार मैंने ना 2,000 रुपया एक्स्ट्रा मोबाइल खरीद लिया, तो इस बार चलो इन्वेस्टमेंट 10 का नहीं करके जस्ट वी विल डू द 8,000। तो व्हाट वी आर मेकिंग द मेकिंग मिस्टेक इज दैट कि जहां मुझे इंक्रीज करना चाहिए था वहां मैंने डिक्रीज कर दिया, और जहां मुझे डिक्रीज करना चाहिए था मैंने वहां इंक्रीज कर दिया। तो इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू डू द लग्जरी इन्वेस्टमेंट, then your life is the it will be the financially, or you can say the burden. Every time you will the find out कि यार I'm not getting money, मैं हमेशा प्रॉब्लम में हूँ। So try to have the luxury investment instead of the luxury expenditure. So that you have to understand. Next one is the total EMI. In the today's scenario, we have the EMI related to home loan, related to education loan, related to car loan, related to some other expenditure. Okay. So when we have the such kind of the issues, so we have to try, we have to understand that total EMI of anyone should not exceed 50% of the income. Like my income is the 1 lakh rupees per month, so my EMI related to home loan, related to car loan should not exceed 50,000 rupees in a month. If it is going to exceeding 50%, like 60%, 70%, 80%, it will create problem in your life, and it will pinch to you when you need some emergency fund in near future. So you have to see whether your EMI of your family is 50% of income or more than that. That we have to understand, that we have to think. Next rule is when you have created any investment, it can be investment in gold, it can be investment in PPF, it can be investment in bank, it can be investment in share, mutual fund, real estate, or anywhere, insurance. You can invest in any other business. You have purchased the some share of the startup, anything. Today I'm not going to discuss of the type of the investment. I'm not going to which investment is good. Just I'm saying to you, if when you have created any investment, so that particular investment you have to check out what is the return on investment and what is the liquidity of that investment. Like you have purchased the one particular land, that land had been suggested by your relative कि भाई तू ये लैंड परचेज कर ले, नाउ इट इज द कॉस्ट ऑफ द 5 लाख रुपीज, विद इन द 1 मंथ, विद इन द 1 ईयर इट विल बी द 10 लाख रुपीज, बिकॉज यहाँ पर एयरपोर्ट आ गया है, और देर आर द लॉट्स ऑफ द डेवलपमेंट प्रोजेक्ट हैपनिंग विथ हेल्प ऑफ द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट। तो आई हैड द 5 लाख रुपीज, मैंने उठा के डाल दिया। चलो जी, आफ्टर 6 मंथ दैट मनी आई नीड, चलो ठीक है 5 लाख से 7 लाख भी हो गया, आई एम एक्सेप्टिंग कि वट एवर द रेशियो दे हैव टोल्ड माई फ्रेंड, वो उस रेशियो से ऊपर भी रहा, बट दैट मनी आई नीड। मैं बेचना चाहा तो नहीं बिका, मैं बेचना चाहा नहीं बिका, और उस पैसे की मुझे जरूरत थी, तो व्हाट आई हैव टू डू, मुझे उसके लिए 7 लाख रुपीज आई हैव टू टेक द लोन, और लोन मेरे को 20-30% के रेट पर मिला, क्योंकि आज यू आर गोइंग टू टेक द लोन इन द मार्केट, देन इट इज गोइंग टू द 2% पर मंथ, 3% पर मंथ। तो व्हाट एवर द इंक्रीमेंट of that particular asset, तो वो आपको आउटफ्लो यहाँ से देना पड़ेगा. तो you have to see liquidity कि क्या मैं लैंड तुरंत बेच सकता था? नो. अगर यही पैसा मेरा एफडी में होता, my money will be in the shares, my money will be in the mutual fund, तो I can utilize that liquid money within the 24 hours. But in case of the land, that is not possible. So whenever you are going to make the any investment, you have to see return on investment as well as the liquidity of that investment. If it is the good, go ahead. Otherwise, before making any investment आप कहीं भी करो, it can be share, it can be insurance, it can be ULIP, it can be mutual fund, it can be real estate, it can be gold, it can be bank account, it can be PPF, but you have to check at least two things: return on investment as well as the liquidity of that investment option. And in last, before ending my session, last one is the portfolio audit. When you have the lots of the investment, like you have invested in bank account, you have invested in real estate, you have invested in PPF, you have invested in shares, you have invested in everywhere, then you have to see whether that investment is working or not. Working, it means कि I have invested 1 lakh rupees in ABC Limited, and that time I have purchased that share at the rate of the 100 rupees. But after 1 year, it is now it is the price of the 80 rupees. So my investment is not working. What I have to do, I have to find out if whether there is any possibility in the near future within the 1 and 2 months and 3 months, it will price will up or not. If market is saying or some expert is saying that this company will go down, there is no way it will up. Then what I have to do, I have to stop, I have to sell my investment, and I have to invest in any other company where whatever the expenditure, whatever the amount I have lose in that first investment, I can earn from the other investment option. Because आपको एक चीज लाइफ में सीखना है, every time we cannot विन, समटाइम हमें कभी कभी लूज भी करना पड़ता है. तो इन्वेस्टमेंट इन एनी असेट, इट कैन बी शेयर, इट कैन बी रियल एस्टेट और एनीवेयर, ओके, एवरी टाइम वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट कि मैं तो हमेशा जीतूं, दैट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. कहीं ना कहीं आपको कभी ना कभी कुछ लॉस भी होता है. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट इन्वेस्टमेंट पोर्टफोलियो ऑडिट में कि that investment is working or not, what is the ROI, what is the liquidity, and more thing, what if suppose that I have purchased the one land in 2000 in Noida with rupees 10 lakh rupees. Now it is the price of the 5 crore rupees. और मैं 20 years रख के 10 लाख से 5 CR तो हो चुका है. But whether it is the possible कि if I keep that land another 10 year, ये 5 से 50 करोड़ होगा, I don't know. 5 से 10 करोड़ होगा, ये भी पॉसिबिलिटी नहीं है कि इट दैट मार्केट हैज कम ऑन द मैच्योरिटी, सैचुरेशन पॉइंट आ चुका है. नाउ इट विल नॉट गो. हाँ, 5 से 5.5, 6, 6.5 हो सकता है, बट इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू अराउंड 10 CR, 20 CR, 25 CR. व्हाट आई हैव टू डू, व्हेन आई हैव आइडेंटिफाइड in the portfolio audit, this I have to find out, then I will sold out this particular investment option, or I will purchase the another option where I can have the more option and I can have the more income. So that we have to find out in the portfolio audit if my investment is working or not, ROI अच्छा I'm getting or not, what is the liquidity, and if there is some other business investment opportunity to earn more money. If yes, then we can do. So it was the into the portfolio audit, and that you can do with yourself, you can do with any other help, or if you need my help, definitely you can contact to me anytime. And now it's time to you. If you have any question, because I am the committed to you, I am committed to you. Now it is the your time. You can ask any question, and I would like